Hi everyone, welcome back here once again. Today we are going to be making another amazing oil, turmeric oil. So I have laid up on my counter there already the turmeric. I'm just going to peel that using my spoon. You can use a knife, it doesn't really matter. Turmeric stains a lot, that's why I'm using an hand glove to help me control the amount of stain. Turmeric oil is an excellent beauty ingredient. It has anti-inflammatory properties. It helps to brighten the skin, reduces blemish, helps to diminish fine lines, achings, and wrinkles. It actually just supports the skin health generally. Where I come from, after a woman gives birth, this turmeric is made into a paste and rubbed all over her body. She sits with the turmeric paste for hours and thereafter she washes it off. She does this for days and then you can see a very fine end result. Her skin becomes bright and very beautiful again. So I'm done peeling. We'll just grate now and thereafter I would set it aside on my kitchen top for a few hours. That step is actually not very necessary, okay? So this turmeric can also be used as a lip balm. What you need to do is just drop a few drops of the oil into Vaseline and then rub on your lip. It can also be used to, soften cracked heels as well. What you need is just a few drops, even in mixing for your cream, just a few drops because it stains very well. So you need just a few drops in a carrier oil. I just turned the grated turmeric into a container and I added coconut oil to it. I made this coconut oil myself. I'll link the video to it in the comment section. Next, we are going to transfer to the gas. Already I have a pot there with boiling water. What we need to do now is just to warm up the coconut oil to help the turmeric extract properly. Just the steam is what we need to warm up the coconut oil. Okay? We'll do this for like 10 minutes and then this is ready to come off from the gas. I'll set this aside to cool down before we'll start straining. Please give this video a thumbs up, share and also drop me your thoughts in the comment section. If you are not following the page already, please click the follow button. I truly appreciate to have you as part of my family on here. You can also strain using a strainer or you can strain using a sucking, a clean socks, which I have not used for any other thing as well. So like I said earlier, if you want to use this oil, just a few drops in your cream goes a very long way. Because when you rub it on your body, you notice that it stains very well. In fact, when I finished making this turmeric oil, I had stains all over, which will take days to go off. But a few drops of it in your oil, your body cream rather, makes a whole difference. So that's the socks I'm showing you guys. I'm going to do double straining just to make sure that the oil is very clear. So that is it. Very easy to make this effective oil that brightens your skin. If you have watched to this point, I truly appreciate every single one of you. Do not forget to share, give a like, and I'll see you in my next